Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the briefing before the US Open of the market, Tuesday, 29th of August. Futures are in red, slightly in red, negative. SP 500 40, 430. Nasdaq 15,030. Dow Jones 34,534. Minus 0.10, minus 0.17%, the range for the American futures. It's good to know, be aware that finally, even if we had a substantial gain yesterday, it almost entirely happened before the market opened. The market opened of the SP 500 at 4,426 and ended marginally up, no more than $10 up from that. China is still on the news. They're still trying to stimulating the stock market. There could be a cut rates on existing mortgages as soon as today, so later in the day. China banks are considering more deposit rate cuts to boost growth. They're still trying to stimulate economy. This can be seen also on the weakness of the yuan. It's trading close to 7.31. But apparently there have been state banks selling dollars and buying yuan at these levels during the last days. The dollar is for sure an interesting subject today. Or more than the dollar, probably the dollar against the yen. Dollars against the yen. Here we have it. Has just breached the 147 handle. Here you have it. Hit new highs for 2023. Last year, Boji, Bank of Japan, made its intervention much lower than at these levels. Generally, dollar is strong. The euro is giving away 0.31%. Is now trading at 107.85. So also cable is down 0.3% at 125 and 26. Here you have a chart. This is the cable, and this is euro dollar weak once again. The dollar generally is strong against all our counterparties. You see is clearly above 104. Here you have a dollar against Swiss franc. Just today I was reading news from Credit Suisse economists that it's actually expecting the SNB to raise rates in September, while probably VCB will stay on a hawkish pose. Dollar against Swiss franc looks like it's it's breaking to the upside. On the news side, what else we have? We have the trip in just out the news. Now a 1 in 2 odds for a 25 basis point September hike. All right, 50% for a hike at ECB right now. Anyway, back to what happened in the morning. While market is about to close, to open, better said, we had the trip of US Commerce Secretary Raimondo with China. We agreed to talk frequently as needed with China's Wong, but stated that the US was clear in its message: our technology restrictions are not negotiable. Right now, before the market gonna open in really a few seconds, there's also the Hurricane Idalia arriving on the Gulf of Mexico. Just now on the wire, the news that Chevron was starting to evacuate anyway. It doesn't look like the trajectory of the hurricane, the typhoon, it's a hurricane, not a typhoon, gonna hit the area with the higher density of oil and gas wells. Here we go. Ding, 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 ding. Marines are in. Market is opening. So yeah, let's go. Let's go and see how it's performing, how the first minutes are going. Let's switch to the 5 minutes. As many times happens, we have some bids at this point. SP 500 back to flat mainly. Yeah, back to flat. Yeah, and also Dow Jones and Nasdaq are slightly recovering. All right, said this, here we have a fast look to the European indices that have been doing well, not that bad in the day. Well, France is just the CAC is just going flat right now on the day. Germany is losing some of the previous gains as well. Spain has been the best performer. Was up 0.7% at some point on the back of good retail, very good retail sales, plus 7%. If I'm not wrong, yes, plus 7.3% for Spain. We also had consumer confidence in Germany, was a disappointment again. What else? Next data, just in a few minutes, half an hour, will be, all right, consumer confidence in United States, but also the first data relative to jobs in US, job openings. There's a forecast, an expectation for 9,465,000 openings in the US job market, slightly down since last number. This will be the first jobs related data this week that is the NFP week. On Friday, non-farm payrolls. So we will have a live with Andrea to follow what will happening live at the release of this data. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Market is starting. Not really moved as for now. The big data are coming during the next day. We will also have the GDP in US, the PCE, so prices, the preferred measure of prices of the Fed. We'll have prices in Europe. So we have a calm before the storm. Let's say the storm is arriving to the Gulf of Mexico. Oil is not reacting. By the way, let's have a look at oil. It's slightly up, but again, as I said, look like the trajectory of a hurricane is gonna skip the most the area with the highest density of rigs and wells. Actually, it's coming down right now. Oil is flat on the day. Crude oil trading at 80, just below 80 right now. 84.40 for the crude. So yeah, that's it. Have a lovely US trading session. May the pips with you. Put your hats on and good luck. Bye bye.